Hello, food lovers! Christmas is a time for delicious food and good cheer. What better way to celebrate than with a creamy mushroom stroganoff? This dish is perfect for a cozy night in. It's easy to make and oh so satisfying. Let's get cooking. Imagine the aroma of sautéed mushrooms and onions filling your kitchen. The creamy sauce, seasoned to perfection, coats your pasta. Add a sprinkle of fresh herbs, and you have a festive masterpiece. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. For the stroganoff, you will need fresh mushrooms sliced, because what's stroganoff without mushrooms? 1 large onion chopped for that savory base. 2 cloves of garlic minced to add a little zing. Olive oil for sautéing, my friends. Vegetable broth to create that rich, flavorful sauce. Heavy cream because creamy is dreamy. Dijon mustard for a touch of tang. Salt and pepper to taste, of course. Fresh thyme for an aromatic touch. For the pasta, whole wheat pasta, choose your favorite shape. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare them. Wash and slice the mushrooms. Chop the onion and mince the garlic. Get your vegetable broth ready. Measure out the heavy cream and Dijon mustard. Pick some fresh thyme leaves. Have your salt, pepper, and olive oil within reach. It's time to cook. Put on your favorite Christmas playlist. Let the music fill your kitchen as we cook. Heat the olive oil in a large pan. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they soften. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute. Now it's time for the star of the show, the mushrooms. Add them to the pan and cook until they turn golden brown. Pour in the vegetable broth and let it simmer. Next, add the heavy cream and stir well. Add a spoonful of Dijon mustard for that extra zing. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook the whole wheat pasta according to the package instructions. Combine the pasta with the stroganoff sauce and mix well. Serve your delicious mushroom stroganoff and enjoy a festive meal. Happy holidays and bon appetit!